Simple and easy bread in the toaster oven. Dr. John A. Allocca. February 19, 26. www.allocca.com. Endorsed by Chef Pucci. See recipe in the comment section. Recipe. Use organic ingredients where possible. 1½ cups water. 1/2 teaspoon sea salt. 1/2 cup organic extra virgin olive oil, plus some for the pan. 3 cups Einkorn all-purpose flour, 80% whole grain. 2 tablespoons non-aluminum baking powder. 2 teaspoons xanthan gum. Mix all ingredients well with a wooden spoon in a 6-quart bowl. Add a fairly generous amount of olive oil to the bottom of a 9-inch by 13-inch by 1-inch pan. Spoon mixture into the pan. Smooth the top of the mixture with a silicone spatula. Sprinkle a little olive oil on top and smooth again. Bake in a toaster oven or regular oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. It is really important to use organic flour because non-organic flour may contain glyphosate, Roundup, which can lead to food allergies and sensitivities. 100 grams equals approximately 44 grams carbohydrates and 250 calories. Chef Pucci and Dr. John wish you health and happiness. Buon appetito! Visit www.allocca.com for more recipes and information on Essential Health, a journey to total mind-body wellness. Join the Essential Health program today because healing isn't just possible, it's essential.